Bruh.
If you slip right here, keep down.
I'm not gonna slip.
Yeah,
I'm a pro rock climber.
I like to live my life well with McDonald's as my main course meal. You know, it just is, it gives me a great zest for life. Those McDonald's cheeseburgers.
Stop it. Get some help.
See, this is level 6.
Oh yeah, so that bit wasn't.
That was not level 6.
Race boats. We should race boats down the stream. Jack, get a boat, get a boat. We need boats.
I'm bringing with you. Okay, yeah.
I think I'm happy with my boat already.
Yeah, me too. Just nice.
Yeah, we have realistic boats. 3, 2, 1, go! No! No!
Oh, dude! 5 seconds!
Oh, my boat's actually still might win. Wait, where are we racing to? Wait, we're supposed to get down there. My boat's winning.
No.
Let's go. We have to follow the boat.
Stop right here.
No, what are you filming? Just. It's mine, I'm pretty sure.
What's?
Yes!
Oh, nice, nice.
Woo! Mine's moving on. Where is he?
Ethan's boat's still there. Me and Jack both, we both win because we both got it down. There's a ton of lizards everywhere. Oh, Jackie, okay.
So guys, we're hiking up this super sick waterfall, you know. I think that sign says eating rocks. No, falling rocks, beware. By the way, cringe vlog incoming. Yeah, we're walking on this incredibly dangerous path full of elephingers.
What?
Alligers?
Alligators.
Alligers. They're elephants and tigers mixed. Most scary thing known to man. And the scariest part about them is that no one's ever seen them. But we're on the hunt for alligers. Right, guys? See this right here? This is the mark of the alligers. They leave behind as they travel these trails. The alligator mark. We're getting close. Here in the savannah, you can't get tired. If you get tired, you might lose heart. Not hot. That's how I say it, because I'm a weird British man who's also Australian. But if you lose heart, there's bad things that could happen, as if jumping into a waterfall that would kill you. Let me tell you a bit about the alligator. It's known for killing things. It's been 13 years since we last saw you. So much has happened, and we're only halfway.
We're not halfway.
To finding the alligator. Oh my goodness, never mind. We're almost there. Look, the end of the walking trail. Number 10. The end of the walking trail. And some keys. Keys. This must be the keys to the alligator. You know, I don't know where this journey will lead us. Hopefully 1 million subs in the next 5 days would be an accomplishment. Danger.
Oh, shoot.
We found the alligators. The sign says danger. The alligators are probably roaming as we speak.
Oh no, guys. Jack's already been killed. We need to run. The alligator's got him. This whole mission has been